take much to memorize your lies. I feel like I've been hypnotized. And then that magic man, he come to town. Woo-wee, he done spun my head all round. Said recess is in session, 2 and 2 make 5. And now, baby, oh, I'm alive. Oh yeah, I'm alive. And if you wanna be the teacher's man, well, baby, you just better forget it. Rock got no reason, rock got no rhyme. You better get me to school on time. Ah, yeah! Assignment. Kick some ass. And if you wanna be the teacher's pet.
Nang may love ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay. Pero hindi nagtagal, lumabas din ang tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay, mapagmataas at lagi na
as an easy chair, love fresh as the morning air, one love that is shared by two. I have found with you, like a rose under the April snow.
Action.
Hello, Papa. Happy birthday. Happy
Certain love with you.
Tinuloy ako ni Bitong.
Okay lang yan, sige. Okay, cap.
Seldom seen by two.
Hello pa. Happy birthday. Bali ako na yung last kasi si Ate Ging ayaw humarap sa camera, nahiya yata, bagong gising daw. Sabi ko, mag-ayos siya. Ayaw, natutulog. Pero, happy birthday daw. Di lang makaharap sa camera, pero I'm sure, gusto niya sabihin niya. So, many more birthdays to come and good health. And ako, I'll always be here. Okay.
Two lights that shine as one. Morning glory and
Pala.
midnight
Handa ni Mama sa birthday mo. Juice. Pag. Lang. Doon. Tapos sa labas. Pabukas naman. Kaldereta tsaka gulay. Ang palaya. Ayun. Gulay. Ang baboy ba yan? O kare-kare. Whatever. Yun na rin yun.